So I ended my last vlog sitting in an auto और अभी मैं अपना ये वाला vlog भी start कर रहा हूँ riding in an auto. So did everything, वहाँ पे अपने दोस्त के घर गया, थोड़ा freshen up हुआ. बात ये हुई कि जो सैलून था वो खुलने वाला था लाइक 11 बजे. सो अगर मैं उस चीज़ का वेट करता तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो जाता. सो आई जस्ट डिड ऑल माई लिटल लाइनअप थिंग, बियर्ड सब घर पे ही कर ली. सो लकीली आई वाज कैरिंग माई ट्रिमर, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में आ गई थी कि लेट्स ट्रिमर रख लेता हूँ जस्ट इन केस. सो अभी वी आर लीविंग, आई एम लीविंग फॉर वकोला, जहाँ पे ग्रैंड हयात होटल है. एंड होटल के जो सारा कॉन्फ्रेंस वाला पार्ट है और जिसमें जो उसका हॉल होता है होटल का, सो वहाँ पे सारा सेटअप हुआ होगा फॉर ऑल अबाउट. एंड प्रीटी एक्साइटेड. द ओनली थिंग इज़ उसमें मेंशन था कि यू विल हैव टू कैरी योर फिज़िकल आईडी, वो मैं भूल गया. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट शुड बी अ बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी बिकॉज आई नो पीपल देयर. आई नो लक्ष्य, आई नो अगम फ्रॉम TM. सो आई थिंक इट शुड बी ओके. इफ़ नॉट देन लेट्स सी क्या होता है. So and the weather is fucking beautiful man, like very pleasant. No like गंदी धूप नहीं है और like you know बहुत प्यारा मौसम है. So मैंने अभी ऑल अबाउट की एक ऐप भी है तो मैंने वो डाउनलोड करी थी. So as you can see I'll show you. इस ऐप में it's already being, it's showing, if you can see, that this workshop has started and this guy has started speaking, that is going on. So ये continuously sends you updates. That is a good thing because there is a lot happening man. Like एक बॉल रूम में कुछ हो रहा है, दूसरे बॉल रूम में कुछ हो रहा है, then उसके बाद कोई वर्कशॉप हो रही है. So it's pretty hard to keep a track, you know. You will have to open your Instagram again and again to check कि कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. Thanks to this app, all about app, beautiful. So let's go. So the line is fucking huge, like from all the way back to the front. But we'll get there. It's not that bad, not bad. I saw Abhishek Dubey here. I'll just catch him. Here. Thank you. So this is all about music, Matt. This is it. Too many things. So I will have to check पहले कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. Let's find some of my friends. Hello, how are you? I'm very well. So as I was looking for some friends, I met Sanil. Sanil is also here. Pretty sick. So this is basically the Connect Corner, and Connect Corner is all about, you know, getting in touch with the creative directors, A&Rs, and even the people who are into labels, the label owners. You can get in touch with them and you can present them your upcoming music, and you know, you can talk about some work. There is Dhruv sitting right there. He's the founder of Sort My Scene. Sort My Scene is the ticketing partner, and he's just right here, Mr. Dhruv, taking all the deals.
हमको कुछ गाना बनाता है, हम जॉनरा बेस सर्च करते हैं, सैम्पल बेस सर्च करते हैं. कभी मूड बेस सर्च किया है क्या? जैसे आज मेरा मन कर रहा है सपने देखने का, तो मैं करूँगा ड्रीमी. और ड्रीमी में ना you will find stuff which you'll normally probably not find, mostly. Too dreamy, sorry. Let's just make it so you can search according to your mood. It gives you some very unique samples. Like, not that Splice is reading your mind, it's just the preset thing is done like that. Before we move on, if at all, मुझे लगता नहीं किसी का क्वेश्चन रहेगा, बट अगर रहेगा, रहते है किसी का क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट पास ऑन द माइक इफ यू कैन. यस जी. अभी हम मेरा मास्टर क्लास का थोड़ा टाइम खत्म हो गया है, तो हम नेक्स्ट वाले में कर लेते हैं और कुछ. Does anyone have?
Okay, so this masterclass was by Sunny MR, and he was telling all about like his production strategies and how he produces music, and कब वो time आता है जब you feel like okay अब इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं डालते हैं, and you know you have to leave. Like he told a very good thing about when you start a project, it's like a baby to you, and then you just don't want to leave it, you know, you just want to keep adding things to it, and you're like okay this is missing, that is missing, let's do that, let's add that, let's do that, this, that, all that did this wali shit. So yeah, it was pretty nice. And he also told a few plugins for compression, and that was really useful, even though I missed it, so I was here for like 20-25 minutes, but yeah, it was quite useful. So next one is Anand Bhagat, and this masterclass goes by the it says like we all are drummers, something like that, I don't know. Everyone is a drummer basically.
It's been done. You guys know what I'm up to, what I do, and yeah. So the journey has been great so far as a musician. It's not been easy either, like any profession, I'm sure. But these drums have been my medicine, so I can say. Besides just you know being my profession, so it's been very special, the journey. And a little bit more about me: I started off as a drummer on the drum kit, and thanks to my mother for being so encouraging and you know supporting me in what I do. And I think when I was growing up, I'm 86 born, so obviously music was not the first choice at home for many people, right? Being in this scene, in music scene. But I was lucky to be encouraged, like many of us have been, and had the opportunity to be who I am, what I am. So with the drum kit, after the drum kit, I kind of found love for percussion, you know, because my dad used to listen to a lot of cool music. That was a big influence. A lot of Santana, O.C. Bisa. I don't know if you heard of O.C.B. Santana, we know, all of us. Stuff like that, which involved heavy percussion, drumming, and you know, groovy music. I like to call groove. So today we're going to talk about a little bit about groove.
Let's go back to the 3-2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Should have stretched before playing Radon.
So the workshop I've just showed you was about everyone is a drummer, and basically there is an instrument called Djembe, and by the way Lakshay is also here. So the last workshop he showed us this crazy instrument called Djembe from South Africa, and some of the patterns they used to play, like 2x3, 3x2. So one thing I've noticed, like what we can do is, what जो मैंने सीखा उस चीज़ से was to like I can use that in music production. So like different patterns that I can use and all that stuff. So yeah, so far so good. अभी I'm pretty hungry. लक्ष्य में मिला है, to trying to figure out something कहाँ पे जाएं. वो कौन सी workshop थी? Ayushman Sinha. So we couldn't get in, obviously. It was really hard. Too packed. ऐसे ही सीन सुबह A.R. रहमान वाले उसमें भी था. Like I couldn't get in at all. Like it was overcrowded, packed. And also it's day one, so also Mr. Jerry is here. So yeah, so far so good. I'll keep you posted. So yeah, finally that's how it is going. My boss Lakshay, meet Lakshay. Laksh, sorry, my bad. So he's the one who got me that Taj wali job. So I'm very thankful to him forever. And soon he is getting me a
Okay,
gig.
I am-
Soon he is getting me a gig in Monkey Bar. He was telling. I don't know.
Okay, this is initial discussion right now.
Yeah.
Mr. Vlogger is can get a gig, cannot get a gig. I don't know. Initial discussion. मैंने बस प्राइस पूछा, कोट आया अभी तक मेरे पास.
Bro, आपके लिए कुछ भी करेंगे यार.
मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं. देख, मैं एक प्रमोटर वाली बात करूँ.
Yeah.
गेस्ट लिस्ट कितनी लाएगा?
गेस्ट लिस्ट आ जाएगी भाई, जितने बोलोगे आप.
और टेबल्स कितनी बेचेगा?
टेबल से बिक जाएंगे भाई.
और उसके बाद
सो बाय द वे फन फैक्ट, मैं लक्ष्य से मिला था पिछले साल यहीं पे. एंड वी आर मीटिंग अगेन एंड वी वर्क टुगेदर एंड नाउ ही इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
So I have to quickly tell you something weird about this guy. तो मुझे पता था कि वाया मतलब we have connects and in and around. तो मुझे पता चला कि when he's just joining Taj
Yeah.
and TM के अंदर आ रहा है, whole process आ रहा है.
Yeah.
Also by the way, meet the other Lakshay. Jerry भाई. And yeah, vlogging game. So yeah, मतलब कुछ तो मैं बोल रहा था, मैं वो भूल गया. But yeah.
Yeah.
Which means we have officially recognized over 25,000 individual artists. And the moment you have an official artist channel, what happens is every channel that you have, or that your fans have created, or that your label has created for you, merges into one channel, including your subscribers, including the views they have, and all the albums that you have are merged into one place. So all your fans know that, okay, if I want to listen to Kishore Kumar, I can go to this particular place. As simple as that. This is the beauty of having an official artist channel. But why do I talk about official artist channel when I promised you about algorithm? I'll come to that. This is because I want to talk to you about analytics. So everyone who is an artist, or even if you're not, honestly, you have the analytics page on your CMS. This analytics page is divided into a bunch of sections, which includes the overview tab, the content tab, the audience tab. But you should be really privy with these sections, because this is what the lifeline of YouTube or your content really is. Let's just quickly go through it. Understand, okay, what does this person like? What is their interest? And according to their interest, we will show them the content. So let's say somebody liked your video. The last time we showed it to them, they liked your video. So we will recommend the video to you again. The next video they upload will be automatically recommended to you. Maybe or maybe not, because sometimes we wait for, so let's say over 100 people liked your previous video, we will start with 20 of them. Okay, 20 people, all of them, let's say 18 of them again saw your video entirely or liked it. Then we will be like, okay, there's a lot of appeal on this video from the existing users, and they are engaged with your video and they are enjoying your video. That is when we will recommend this video to more people and more people. Now, I'll go to how that trajectory goes upwards in a while. But what you have to understand is that the entire goal is to understanding your audience, making sure your existing audience is getting engaged with your video, and from there, making sure that, okay, the video is now performing upwards. There are also other factors like existing topics and trends. For example, some festival is coming up or some other thing is going on.
Okay, so just got back from this YouTube channel thingy, and there was this guy who was telling about the analytics of YouTube, like कैसे YouTube में you can crack the algorithm, and कैसे YouTube में you can get into the algorithm where YouTube will promote your videos more and more to more subscribers, more different countries and all. So it was pretty good. और वहाँ पे एक बंदा था जिसने मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर करा that when you start a YouTube channel and you have an option to promote a certain video for some money. Let's say आज मैंने ये वाला vlog डाला, and then इस vlog के लिए I'm investing extra 2,000 rupees on paid ads, and then जो उस paid ads में एक option आता है कि do you want to get more subscribers or do you want to get more views or whatever, like do you want more traffic. So my question was like, if I'm paying 2,000 rupees for this vlog video, so जो वो subscribers मिलेंगे मुझे, will that be legit subscribers or just bots? So the answer is no. It will be like subscribers who are actually using YouTube on a day-to-day basis. Will they be coming back to your channel after watching that video? That totally depends on what content you are making and the quality of content and how attracting it is. But yeah, like if you are paying for the ads on your YouTube video, it will be good. It will work for you.
Fantastic. So there's a legal drinking age ban, and the only way you're going to get a drink is if you have that LDA ban. So if you're below the age of 25, don't even try to get a drink because you're not going to get a drink.
So
Now, let's try it again. How many musicians over here all over again? Come on.
So basically, if you have this band, you
there's a
can
lot
get
of karma
unlimited
in this
free
room
drinks,
today.
beer,
So the
whatever
louder
you want to drink.
cheer for the acts that are.
So I'm ending my vlog here. आज बहुत हेक्टिक था, बहुत लोगों से मिला, बहुत सारे पुराने फ्रेंड्स सबसे मिला, वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड करी, बट इट वॉजन प्रोडक्टिव लाइक अगर मैं प्रोडक्टिविटी की बात करूँ तो आई थिंक इट वॉज अराउंड 40% प्रोडक्टिव. सो टुमारो आई स्टिक टू लाइक कल और ज़्यादा वर्कशॉप्स एंड सारे जितने भी पैनल्स हैं वो अटेंड करूँगा, क्योंकि आज का दिन तो सबके साथ हैंग आउट करने में ही निकल गया और मिलने में ही निकल गया. बट इट वाज गुड. और लास्ट में लेकिन जो शोकेस होता है उसमें यूजुअली देयर इज़ तो ऐसा वो बोल रहे थे कि लाइक 100 आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जिन लोगों ने अप्लाई करा होता है, उनमें से 6 लोग उन्होंने चूज़ करे हैं जो प्ले करते हैं और लाइक जो परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो इट वाज गुड. लाइक जिसने ओपन करा था ही वाज अ रैपर बाय द नेम ऑफ दानिश, एंड देन उसके साथ सेकंड एक्ट जो था वो बीट बॉक्सिंग कर रहे थे एंड ही वाज रैपिंग. बट जो थर्ड एक्ट था, टेक्निकली सेकंड एक्ट था, ही स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग लाइक वेरी मेलो शिट. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट वहाँ पे लाइक सारे लोग, द थिंग इज़ लाइक यहाँ पे लास्ट में एंड में फ्री अल्कोहल मिलती है, सो एवरीवन इज़ ड्रिंकिंग एंड देन किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं हो क्या गा रहा है. सामने स्टेज के सामने 30-40 लोग खड़े हैं एंड देन वो सुन रहे हैं, वही ताली बजा रहे हैं. बट इट वाज गुड, ठीक है. बट मुझे आई वाज फीलिंग स्लीपी क्योंकि मैं यहाँ सुबह जल्दी आ गया था. सो या, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड डू वॉच माई कंटेंट. अगले 2 दिन भी मैं पूरा शूट करने वाला हूँ एंड कल का दिन थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि आई प्रिपेयर अ क्वेश्चनेयर एंड देन मैं लोगों से कुछ मस्तियाँ लूँगा. लेट्स सी. ऑलराइट, बाय बाय.